All right, as I've been looking over homework from section 8.6, where you guys had to answer some, or you had to take a picture of your 3 homework problems. A lot of you guys are missing the confidence interval section of that. So let's look at, this is actual real data from the card trick thing that you guys posted, comparing my algebra 8th period and stats 3rd period. So I've kind of converted them all into minutes, and you guys can see the means and standard deviations and all of that. So hopefully you can tell from this that we would do a 2-sample t-test, because we obviously have 2 different samples, 2 different independent samples, and we're using the sample standard deviation. And again, I just had my calculator figure all that out for me. So before we do the test, kind of looking at this data, I guess since stats kids are older and maybe more experienced or whatever, I'm going to say that you guys are going to be faster significantly than algebra. So like they're going to take more time to complete the test than you are. So there's my hypothesis. So now in my calculator, that p-value looks really wrong. Let me do this again. I have my list 1 and list 2 in backwards, so I'll just change them. There we go. Okay, that looks more like it. All right, so our t-value is 3.4, and our p-value is 0.002. The true mean of algebra students is significantly higher than the true mean of stats. All right, so what we're going to do here for the confidence interval, if you use a 2-sample t-test, you're just going to use a 2-sample t-interval. It's the same interval for that given test. So you still go to test, which I know is kind of weird, and then we're going to scroll down to letter 0, 2-sample t-interval. All of this is still saved. We'll do a confidence level of 95, and my answer is, there we go, 1.1 to 4.9. 1.1 to 4.9. And some of you guys were not putting that on your homework at all. Okay, and then to interpret this, what this means is, since I put my algebra kids in first, minus my stats kids, it means the true mean of algebra is 1.1 minutes to 4.9 minutes longer than the true mean of stats. So do you guys see how that leads to the same conclusion, that we think they're significantly longer because 0 is not included? They're both positive numbers. So hopefully that helps you in the future and on your test next week. And I hope you guys are doing awesome. I miss you. Please keep up on your work. You're doing a good job. And feel free to email me anytime or post on the discussion board if you have questions.